Making a pizza on a rainy evening is all that is comforting to me. So I am making a farm fresh pizza. It's a lazy cooking evening for me. So obviously using the store-bought pizza base and sauce. So I'll be using a lot of vegetables cut in cubes like onion, capsicum, tomatoes, mushrooms, sweet corn, paneer, and of course, if you have olives or you have jalapenos, then you can add some. So I love cooking and trying different things. And if you have an oven, then you can surely try this recipe. I could have certainly made my evening a little more relaxed if I had ordered shredded cheese instead of a cheese cube. Sorry, a cheese block. Never be stingy with your cheese. If you're having a cheat meal, then do it right. I'm sure the store bought sauce and everything has more calories than what could have been done at home. But sometimes you just have to go the lazy way and do things like jhatpat so that you are not tensed. Tensed of making everything from scratch. Sometimes you should just give yourself a breather and just let it go and do it the smart way. And this tastes amazing as well. I could have added some basil as well, but I don't like the taste of it. But it is definitely healthier than the pizza that we get in Domino's or Pizza Hut, wouldn't name anymore. You are certainly putting in some effort, obviously. And here I'm using my micro oven, but I think you should check with your micro oven's manual for the settings. You need to preheat the oven first. And always wear a pair of gloves while using these micro ovens and air fryer, etc. We had a fun evening eating our pizzas. We had 2 pizzas, one each. Okay, bye. Subscribe for more.